A fresh aftercare routine prevents immediate re-clogging after you clear a blocked toilet. After you successfully unclog a toilet, flush a second time while watching the water level to confirm the obstruction is fully cleared and that the bowl drains normally. If the water level rises unusually high, stop and use the plunger again with firm, consistent strokes while maintaining a good seal around the flange. Inspect the bowl for any lingering debris using a gloved hand or a disposable tool, and remove visible solid material to prevent it from drifting back into the trap. Check the fill valve and float by observing the tank refill cycle. A misadjusted float can leave the bowl at an incorrect level and make clogs more likely. Run a slow test flush by pouring a gallon of water into the bowl to mimic a full flush and ensure the trap and drain move the volume without backing up. After finishing, rinse and disinfect the plunger and any tools, and store them in a ventilated container to limit any residual odor and bacteria that could contaminate future maintenance. Common mistakes include assuming the job is done after a single flush, which can leave partial blockages that reappear quickly. Always perform a second controlled flush and inspect the flow. Another is neglecting to check the tank refill and float settings, which can leave insufficient bowl water and allow solids to lodge in the trap. Adjust the float so the bowl and tank refill to the manufacturer recommended levels. People also forget to clean and dry the plunger and tools, which permits biofilm and residue to reintroduce matter when used again. Rinse with clean water, disinfect with a household cleaner, and air dry before storage. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and practical project guidance related to plumbing and aftercare. Our community discussion forums let us share real experiences, ask questions, and find contractors who are actively seeking work.